I bet it was a lot of you just being like,
wow. Look at that. Should we like honk at people? Like shout things?
no!
Hi, Pamela.
I don't know what I'm doing at all.
Okay. I'm always too scared to honk. I'm gonna yell at these people.
Somebody was trying to honk.
Should I just yell at them?
Yeah.
Can I just say hi? I'm kind of scared. Hi! I wonder if they heard me. Did they react? Waste my time with you. I wonder if you can see us right now. Rather waste my time with you. The bag. Okay, car ride is now over. Video's still going. I hope you guys know. Maybe if you like. Oh God, bush. No.